Hello dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss the second algebraic method, that is elimination method. In the last video I have discussed substitution method. Why that is known as substitution method? Because to get the equation in one variable we are going to write the one variable from either of the equation in terms of another, then we substitute in the another equation. Because of that, that is known as substitution method. And this is elimination method. Here we are going to eliminate either of the variable so that we will get the equation in one variable by doing some algebraic operations. Clear? Because of that, this method is known as elimination method. Let's see what is this. There are four major important steps involved in this method. First step is that first multiply both equation by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficient of variable either x or y numerically equal. Either to make the coefficient of x equal or y equal. Then second step is that then add two equation or subtract one equation from the other so that the one variable get eliminated. Once we get the coefficient of one variable numerically equal, then while adding or subtracting the two equations, one variable should be eliminated. Okay, and if you get equation in one variable, go to step 3. What is step 3? Solve the equation in one variable, so obtain. That is obtained in step 2 to get its value. After that, again substitute the obtained value in either of the original equation to get the value of other variable. Don't worry about these steps, we will be doing with examples. Now two more things we have to remember while we are going with the elimination method, that is, if in step 2 we have discussed step 2, that is add or subtract, while doing that one, if we obtain a true statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equation has infinitely many solutions. You will get a LHS equal to RHS. That is the meaning of true statement, but there will not be any variable. And if in the step 2 we obtain a false statement involving no variable, that means you get a statement like the LHS of that statement is not equal to RHS, and with no variable, that means it has no solution. But usually we will be asked to solve the questions with a unique solution. Clear? But sometimes it may happen like this. So if we get in step 2, then you can decide that the given pair of equations does not have the unique solution, either it have infinitely many solution or no solution. So let's discuss some questions from exercise 3.4 to get a clear idea about how to solve the given pair of equations by elimination method. So question number 1, option number 1, solve the following pair of equations by elimination method as well as substitution method. But I am going to discuss only how to do it by elimination method, because substitution method I already discussed in the last video, so that try yourself. Okay, so here this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We need to solve, so we need to first proceed with the step 1. In step 1, what we need to do? We need to make the coefficient of either of the variable numerically equal. That means coefficient of x or coefficient of y. Here I am going to make the coefficient of x equal. So here it is 2x. So to make here also 2x, I need to multiply this equation by 2. Clear? So multiply equation 2 by 2 to make coefficient of x numerically equal, so that implies we will have 2 into x plus y is equal to 5 into 2. RHS also should be multiplied by 2. As LHS we multiplied by 2, RHS also should be. Simplified, 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into y is 2y. Okay, 2y, which is equal to 5 into 2 is 10. Equation number 3. Now see in equation number 2 and 3, coefficient of x become equal. Now proceed with step 2. What is step 2? In step 2, what we need to do? subtracting equation 2 from 3. You can also subtract 3 from 2 also to eliminate the x. To eliminate x. So here that implies 2x, write the equation number 3 first. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and write the equation number 2, 2x minus 3y, which is equal to 4. Subtract it. During the subtraction, change the sign. Plus 2x become minus 3y will become plus 3y, and plus 4 will become minus 2x minus 2x equal to 0. That means x is eliminated. Plus 2y plus 3y is equal to plus 5y, which is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So now we got an equation in one variable, that is 5y is equal to 6. So proceed with the step 3 to get the value of y, that is in step 3. Solve that equation. We have the equation 5y is equal to 6. That implies y is equal to 6 divided by 5. Solve it. So once we get the value y, we need to proceed with the step 4. That is in step 4, what we need to do? Substituting for y in either of the original equation, that is we can put in equation number 1. So to get x plus what is y? Y equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is equal to 5. That implies x is equal to 5 plus 5 by 6 will be minus, 6 by 5 will be minus 6 by 5. That implies, I am writing here, that implies x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5 divided by 25, 25 minus 6, 19 divided by 5. Numerical calculation, try it yourself. So the solution is x equal to 19 divided by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. Clear? You can also make the coefficient of y equal. How? Here it is minus 3y in equation number 2. So just multiply the equation 1 by 3. So you will get a 3 into x plus y is equal to 5 into 3, which is equal to, which implies 3x plus 3y, which is equal to 15. So this is also another equation we will get. Okay. So here plus 3y is there, and in equation number 2 we have 2x minus 3y, which is equal to 4. So here you can see this is plus 3y, this is minus 3y. Numerically equal but opposite side. So while you add in this equation, this plus 3y and minus 3y will be eliminated. So in the case of coefficient numerically equal but opposite in sign, just add the equation. Okay. In case of coefficients equal but they are same in the sign also, then you have to subtract the equation. Okay. So in any way you can solve, you will get the same answer. Okay. Let's discuss some more options from the same question so that you will get a clear idea about elimination method. These two equations are not given in the form for solving in elimination method, so we just need to modify that one. This is the first equation, so let's modify that one. 3x minus 5y, this minus 4 take into right side, it will be plus 4. Give equation number 1. Similarly, take this equation also, 9x, bring this plus 2y to right side, left side, will be getting minus 2y is equal to plus 7, keep the equal to 7 in equation number 2. Okay, just to modify into this form for easily solving. Now, here see, both equation, in both equation, the coefficient of x or y are not equal. So the first step we have to do is that, here see, it is easy to make the coefficient of x equal because here 9x is the, here 3x. If we multiply the equation number 1 by 3, this will become 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So multiply equation 1 by 3 to make coefficient of x numerically equal. So we will be having 3 into, this is the equation, 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 into 3. While we multiply, both LHS as well as RHS should be multiplied. That implies 3 into 3x equal to 9x minus 3 into 5 minus 5 is equal to minus 15y, which is equal to 4 into 3 is 12. Equation number 3. Now in equation 2 and 3, coefficient of x are equal. So we will proceed with the step 2. Step 2. In step 2, what we have to do? Coefficient of x is numerically as well as the sign also equal. Am I right? Here also plus 9 and here also plus 9. Clear? So subtracting equation 2 from 3 to get, what will we getting? 9x minus 15y is equal to 12, and the equation 2 is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Subtract and change the sign. Plus 9x will be minus 2y will be plus, and plus 7 is equal to minus. So 0 minus 15y plus 2y will be minus 13y is equal to 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Now we got an equation in one variable. Now proceed with the step 3. So in step 3, what will we get? Y is equal to 5. Divide this minus 13, take into right side, it will be divided by minus 13, which we can also write as minus 5 by 13. Go to the value of one variable. Now proceed with the step 4 to get the value of x. In step 4, what we need to do? Substituting for y in equation. It's better to substitute in the original equation because the modified equation will be a little complex one. So just substitute in equation number 1. That is the simplest one. Equation number 1 to get 3 into x, that is 3x minus 5 into, what is y here? Y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay, is equal to, what is RHS of this equation? 4. Implies 3x minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25 divided by 13 is equal to 4. That implies, right here, that implies 3x is equal to 4. This plus 25 by 13 take into right side, it will be minus 25 by 13. That implies 3x is equal to 4 into 13 is equal to 52 minus 25 divided by 13, which is equal to 52 minus 25 is equal to 27 divided by 13. So 3x is equal to 27 minus 13, so 27 divided by 13. That implies x is equal to 27 divided by 13, and this 3 take into right side, it will be on denominator. That is equal to 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9 divided by 1 more 13 is there. So the solution is x equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Here this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here see, coefficient of x is 1 by 2 and here it is 1. And here coefficient of y is 2 by 3 and here it is minus 1 by 3. So both way we can do this one. Either we can make the coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y equal. Already I have done two questions with making coefficient of x equal. Here I am going to make the coefficient of y equal. Clear? So for that we are proceeding with step 1. Multiply. See here, in equation number 1, the coefficient is 2 by 3. Y. 2 by 3 into the coefficient of y is 2 by 3. And here it is minus 1 by 3 into y. This is actually minus 1 by 3. Clear? So what we need to do in this to make it 2 by 3? Numerically equal. Sign, never mind it. That means here we have to multiply it by 2. This equation. So that here it will be 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 will be minus 2 by 3, and here it will be plus 2 by 3. That means numerically they are equal. Sign is opposite, no matter. So multiply equation 2 by 2 to make coefficient of y numerically equal. What will we get? 2 into x minus y by 3, which is equal to 3 into RHS also should be multiplied by 2. Simplified implies 2x, 2 into minus y by 3 will be minus 2y by 3, which is equal to 6. Equation number 3. Now the coefficient of y in equation number 3 as well as in equation number 1, they are numerically equal. One is plus 2 by 3 and another one is minus 2 by 3. No matter, we can solve easily. Now we proceed with the step 2. So in step 2, adding equation 1 and 3. Not 2 and 3, okay. 2 and 3, 2 is modified into 3. So we are not supposed to multiply 2 and 3. Sorry, add 2 and 3. 1 and 3. So here, see, why we are adding? Because the coefficient is numerically equal. 2 by 3. But here it is plus 2 by 3, and in equation number 3 that is minus 2 by 3. So here coefficient of y are numerically equal, but sign is opposite. Because of that we need to add the two equations to eliminate y. In the previous options we have discussed that the coefficients of the variable to be eliminated are numerically equal, the sign also equal. Both are positive or both are negative. So in that case we need to subtract the equation. If the coefficient are numerically equal as well as the sign also equal, then we need to subtract the equation. If the coefficients are numerically equal but they are opposite in sign, then we need to add the two equations to eliminate that variable. Clear? That you have to remember while you are proceeding with the elimination method. So here adding equation 1 and 3, so we will get equation 1 is x by 2 plus 2y by 3, which is equal to minus 1, and equation 3 is 2x minus 2y by 3 is equal to 6. Add it. There is no change of sign because these are adding. So x by 2 plus 2x, that will be 5 by 2x. If you have any doubt, just listen here. X by 2 plus 2x. Take the LCM, we will get x by 2 plus 2 into 2x divided by 2, which is equal to x plus 2 into 2x is 4x divided by 2. X plus 4x is 5x divided by 2. Very simple, okay? Then plus 2y by 3 and minus 2y by 3 will be 0. Opposite, so they cancel 0. Which is equal to minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 5. Clear? So 5 by 2x is equal to 5. That is the equation in one variable. This is the reason why we added the equations here, because they are opposite in sign. So while we are adding, it will be eliminated. Clear? That is very important. As we go to equation in one variable, we need to proceed with the step 3. So in step 3, 5 by 2 x is equal to 5. So that implies x is equal to 5 into 5 by 2. Take into right side, it will be multiplied by the reciprocal. That means numerator term will be on denominator, denominator term will be on numerator. Okay, now 5 cancel, which is equal to 2. So the value of x we got it. Now we proceed with the step 4. In step 4, substituting for x in equation, it's better to substitute in equation number 2 because that is a simpler one. So x is 2, 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Take this y to right side and 3 to left side, so we will be having 2 plus 3 will be minus 3, which is equal to minus y by 3 will become plus y by 3. Minus 1 is equal to y by 3. Take this y to right side, implies it the. So we will get a minus 1 into 3 is equal to y, or y is equal to minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. So now we got the value of both x and y. So the solution is x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus. Very simple. Clear. So it's according to the conditions. You try yourself. Let's sum up the steps. First one is just to make the coefficient of x or y numerically equal. If it is already equal, then nothing to do. Just proceed the step 2. What is step 2? Add or subtract the equation. In case of coefficients numerically equal, and if the sign also same, then proceed the subtraction of one equation from another. If the coefficients of that variable to be eliminated are numerically equal and opposite in sign, then you have to add the two equations to eliminate that variable. After eliminating one variable, you will get an equation in one variable. Solve that equation to get the value of that variable. You will get the value of one variable. After getting the value, just substitute the value of variable so obtained in either of the original equation to get the value of second variable. That's all about elimination method. Let's discuss some word problems. Question number 2, option number 1. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1 and it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? First, let's assign the fraction that let the fraction be x by y. X is the numerator and y is the denominator. And according to the first condition, what is given? If we add 1 to the numerator, that is x plus 1, divided by subtract 1 from the denominator, that is y minus 1. Subtracting 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. A fraction reduces to 1. So that implies x plus 1 is equal to, take this denominator to right side, that will be 1 into y minus 1, which is equal to y minus 1. Take this y to left side and 1 to right side, so it will be x plus y will be minus y, which is equal to minus 1, and this plus 1 also will be minus 1. That implies x minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 1. Now come to the second situation. What is the second situation given in the question? That is, it becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1, if we only add 1 to the denominator. That means on numerator, no operations, just keeping us, and adding 1 to the denominator, we will get a 1 by 2. Fractions become 1 by 2. Okay, then cross multiply it. We will get a 2 into x is equal to 2x, which is equal to 1 into y plus 1 is y plus 1. Take this y to left side, so we will be getting, that implies 2x plus y will be minus y, which is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Okay, solve these equations by elimination method. You will get the value of x and y. After getting x and y, write in this form, so you will be getting the fraction. Okay, let's move to the next option. Age related problem. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? This is you can try yourself because two questions similar to this I already discussed. So this is you can try yourself. It's a very important kind of question that is related to age. Okay, that do it yourself. We are moving to the next option. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, the 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. It's a very important kind of question related to two-digit number. So, in case of two-digit number, there will be two digits. One is ones digit and another one is tens digit. Okay. So, let's assign the variables that let the ones digit be x and tens digit be y. Clear? So the two-digit number is equal to 10y plus x. This will be the two-digit number in terms of the digits. For example, we can write 25. 25 you can write it as 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5 again you can write it as 10 into 2. 20 is 10 into 2 plus 5. Clear? So we represent 25, that is a two-digit number in terms of 10 into the digit at tens place and plus digit at ones place. Clear? So ones digit is x, tens digit is y, then we can represent the two-digit number as 10y plus x. Very simple. Now come to the conditions given in the question. That is, first condition is given, that is the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. That is, what are the digits? X and y. So x plus y, sum of the digits is equal to 9. Equation number 1. Very simple. Now come to the second situation, that is the 9 times this number, that is 9 times of the number is 10y plus x is twice, that is 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order of digits, that is 10x plus y. For example, if the 25 you write in, if 10 into 2 plus 5, I am writing as 10 into 5 plus 2. That is I have written here 10y plus x, I have written like a 10x plus y. So here also I am changing like a 10 into 5 plus 2. What will we get? 10 into 5 is 15 plus 2, which is equal to 52. So 52 is a number which is obtained by reversing the order of digits. Here it is 25, order of digits is 2, 5. When I reverse the digits into 5 and 2, then the number is obtained like this. So we can represent like this as 10 into ones digit plus tens digit in the initial case. Clear? So similarly I have written, while it is reversing the order of digits, the 10y plus x will be changed to 10x plus y. Clear? Now simplify this one. What will we get? 9 into 10 is equal to 9dy plus 9 into x is 9x, which is equal to 2 into 10x, 20x plus 2 into y is equal to 2y. Now bring the x to right side and y to left side. So we will get 9dy plus 2y will be minus 2y, which is equal to 20x, and plus 9x will be minus 9x. That implies 90y minus 2y is equal to 88y, which is equal to 20x minus x is equal to 11x. Clear? That implies, simplify this, 88 and 11 are divisible. So while dividing by 11 we will get 8. 8 and 11 is 8. 88. So 8y, which is equal to 11 is cancelled. X. Equation number 2. Very simple one. Clear? So x plus y is equal to 9 and 8 to y is equal to x, or x equal to 8y. This question is actually, it is very simple by using substitution method, but it is asked to do by elimination method. So you are supposed to do it by elimination method. Okay. Next question is question number 2, option number 4. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees note only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. So let's set up the variable in terms of number of 50 rupees currencies and 100 rupees currencies. So let the number of 50 rupee notes be X and the number of 100 rupees notes be Y. We can frame the first equation because it is given Meena got 25 notes in all. That means number of 50 rupees notes plus number of 100 rupees notes is equal to 25. That is X plus Y, which is equal to 25. Very simple one. From this situation, from this sentence, we can make the equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1. Now come to the second situation. What is given? She went to bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. That means the total amount is equal to 2000 rupees. So total amount is equal to amount which she got in terms of 50 rupees plus in terms of 100 rupees notes. That means amount in terms of 50 rupees will be 50 into the number of 50 rupees notes is X. So that will be the amount she received in terms of in the currency of 50 rupees plus the amount she received in terms of 100 rupees currency, that is 100 into Y, number of 100 rupees currencies Y, which is equal to 2000. So let's simplify this equation by taking 50 is common taken outside. 50 into X plus, when 50 taken from 100, it will be 2 Y, which is equal to 50 taken here, what will be 50 taken to it will be 40. 40 into 50 is equal to 2000. 50 is cancelled. The equation will be reduced to X plus 2Y is equal to 40. Okay, equation number 2. We go to 2 equations. You can try it by using elimination method. Last question from this exercise. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day. Thereafter, Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days, while she paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for extra day. That are the two variables, unknown quantities we have to find. So let the fixed charge be X rupees and charge for extra charge for each extra day be Y. Come to the first condition given in the question. Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days. So this is the first condition. So total amount she paid is equal to 27. Total amount is equal to 27. This 27 is the sum of the fixed charge plus the charge for each extra day into number of extra days she kept that book with her. So here the total amount is equal to 27, that is fixed charge. Fixed charge plus the charge for 1 day. What is the charge for 1 day? That is Y. 1 day means each extra day into how many days? 7 days she kept for. Total 7 days she kept the book with her. But for the first 3 days only fixed charge. After the 3 days only the extra charge will be imposed. That means 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. So only for 4 days extra charge will be imposed out of the 7 days. Because for the first 3 days fixed charge is enough, which is equal to 27. So we can write in like that implies X plus 4Y is equal to 27. Equation number 1. Now come to the second situation, that is she paid 21 rupee for the book she kept for 5 days. That is total amount is equal to total amount she paid, that is equal to 21, which is for the total amount will be x plus y, that is the charge for extra day, into how many days total she kept for 5 days. Out of these 5 days, for the first 3 days there is no extra charge, that means the remaining 2 days there will be extra charge, that means y into 2, that will be the total amount she has to pay extra in addition to the fixed charge, which is equal to 21. So x plus 2y is equal to 21. This is the equation number. So this is all about elimination method, and you have to remember one thing, that if you are provided two equations with the coefficient of any one variable numerically equal, no matter whether the sign is same or opposite, but numerically equal, then you have to go for elimination method, because that will be the most easiest method for that particular kind of question. And if any one equation is written like x equal to 3y or 8y is equal to x, like that, that means one variable is written in terms of another directly as it is given, then substitution method will be the convenient method. So depends upon the question, you can choose the appropriate method to solve that particular pair of equations. In the next video, I will discuss the third algebraic method, that is cross multiplication method. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.